Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to train a computer vision image classification model in just a few simple steps on aicuflow. So let's get into it. So just like always, we're going to create a new flow and build our AI pipeline. One simple way to do that is to click on the node library, which is the plus icon at the bottom of the left toolbar. And then you can head over to templates and click on AI training flow. Click create flow, and then there you have it. Your AI pipeline is ready for use. So now all that's left to do is upload your data and get going. In order to do that, we're gonna head over to the file manager here in the left toolbar and press on the plus icon. This time we're going to be selecting a folder that consists of all the images that we're going to use for our training. So I'm quickly gonna press on that and select my file. You'll see that iQ now asks for extra permission to upload several files to the side. I'm going to confirm and upload it right here. Once you receive confirmation that it successfully uploaded your files, we're going to head back to the flow editor and now click on the first node, which is select data. And I'm going to select my folder, then press on Save Selection. The next step is to head over to the Train AI Model node and select your category. I'm going to select Computer Vision. The subcategory is going to be Image Classification and the model is going to be ViT Large. You can save and continue. And in the input section, you don't really have to change anything, but if you really want to, you could edit these according to your needs. And then again, save and close. And now we're ready to run the model. So just click on the play button right here. This might take a few seconds. Once the training is complete, you'll see a pop-up notification up here, and then we can preview the results. You could simply expand here or click on the preview output node. And here you have the accuracy, the precision, and so on. And there you have it. If you have any further questions, feel free to check out our documentation or contact aicuflow. Thanks for watching.